Well, hello there, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friend. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today, I am going to be showing you how I apply my press-on nails on my fingertips. I will be showing you how I take my nubby, crusty little bitten fingers into these glamorous claws, you guys. I will also be linking the nail tips in the description box below. I got them from AliExpress, and I know you guys search high and low for these extra long press-on nail tips. And I will also be putting out a tutorial on how I created these nail tips in the following week as well. So don't worry, you guys, a tutorial is coming soon. Well, anyways, you guys, so we are going to be applying these press-on nails right here that I created the other night. I am going to start off by making sure that the press-on nail fits on my nail bed completely. What you want to do is you want to take the press-on nail and you want to place it onto your nail, and you need to make sure that it covers from sidewall to sidewall just like this. So you want to make sure that it's covering both sides of your nail so that no water seeps in, just like that. Boop. And once you made sure that all of your nails fit perfectly and securely onto your nails, you're going to take your hands and you are going to be taking a cuticle pusher. I'm sorry if my nails look extra crusty today, you guys. I ripped off another set of press-on nails for this tutorial. They did not want to come off with acetone really fast, so I was like, rip them off. So anyways, I'm going to take my cuticle pusher, and what I do with my cuticle pusher is I push down the excess skin around my nails, and there's a lot of crust too around my nails as well from the nail glue from the previous set that I had before. And this is all I do. And once I push back all the excess skin and my cuticle, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this to the rest of my nails. Well, alright, you guys, so this is what our nails should look like after we're done pushing the cuticles back. They're still a little crusty, but don't worry, baby. It's a little bit of a process. And so now I'm going to be taking my favorite file. I like this better than a buffing block. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buffing the tops of my nail beds like this, you guys. Just going from side to side. And I will be linking where I got this nail file in the description box down below if you guys are curious. And I'm going to be focusing mostly on the cuticles. And I also apologize for having really crusty nails, you guys, because I just popped off an old set really quick and I still have a lot of glue residue all around my nails. So this is also why I'm being a little bit rough with my nails right now. I'm trying to get as much glue off of my nails as possible. And this is what your nails should look like after you're done buffing them. You want them to have texture to the touch because you want the press-on nail to have something to hold on to when you glue it on. And like I said, don't forget to focus on the cuticle area so that it doesn't lift and that water doesn't slide in. And this is what your nails should look like, you guys, afterwards. They look a little rough, but don't worry. We're going to take a brush. I got this brush from the 99-cent store and I added a little bit of bling to it to make it nice and cute. And I'm just going to be dusting all of the dust off of my hands. And this is what my hands should look like afterwards. Just like this. And now I'm going to be taking my cuticle clippers. So just warning when using these because these are really sharp, you guys. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be clipping the excess skin around my cuticle area because I pushed my cuticle back earlier today. And I'm just going to cut it off just like this. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Real simple. Try not to cut yourselves, you guys. Please be careful. And this is what our nails should look like after we clip our cuticles. And now we're going to move on and we are going to be taking some rubbing alcohol and we're just going to be cleaning off the tops of our nails so that we could dehydrate the nail and get rid of any excess oils. And this is what our nails should look like, you guys. They already look somewhat better. My nails still look a little crusty. So now I'm going to be taking my press-on nail, and as you guys can see, the inside is really shiny. So I'm going to be taking a file and I'm going to be etching the back of the nail so that I could also add texture to it. And I'm just going to be filing like this. And if you guys don't want to use a nail file, you guys could use a buffing block if you guys want as well. But I prefer the nail file. But the buffing block is fine. And you guys use it just like that, super simple. And I'm going to be doing that to the whole entire set. And now when we're done, we're going to take some rubbing alcohol and we're just going to clean the backs of our nails just so we can get rid of any excess dust. And so now I'm going to be taking my favorite nail glue. This is the NK1 or the Nick 1 Nail Bond. I got it from Amazon. I will be linking it down in the description box below. And the thing that I love about it is that it comes with the wand. And the way that I apply it is I just paint it right on my nail, just like I would gel nail polish. However, try not to grab too much because you do not want to put too much nail glue or else you will flood the cuticle when you put the press-on nail on top. So once we are done adding nail glue on our nail, I'm going to be taking my press-on nail and I'm going to be adding some glue also on the inside of the nail as well. However, try not to add too much and try not to add too much in the cuticle area as well because you don't want it to flood. So now I'm going to take it and I'm going to slide it down into my cuticle just like this, and then I'm going to press down and make sure that your press on nail is straight, girl. The last thing you want is to put so much effort in your nail and have a crooked nail, honey. And so you're going to add pressure once you apply it, and this is what I do afterwards. I roll my thumb around so that I could get the press on nail to apply itself onto every single corner of my nail bed, just like this. Bloop. What do you guys think? Yay! And that's how I apply my press-on nails, you guys. And I'm going to be applying this method to the rest of my fingertips. And also when you guys hold it down, I advise you guys to hold it down for at least 10 seconds or so that it can really adhere to your nail bed. Alright, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friends, so this is what our nails should look like after we're done applying them. As you can see, they're very long and they're very, very bougie. I am absolutely obsessed with them. And here is a little bougie tip that I like to share with you guys is I like to use cuticle oil after I'm done applying my press-on nails. It makes them look so much nicer, especially in pictures. So if you guys have a press-on nail business, model your press-on nails with some of this. They look so freaking bougie and they look like we just got out of the salon, girl. They look so cute, and this is how I apply it. I just paint it on my cuticles just like this, and try not to use too much because you don't want too much of the oil to seep in underneath your nails. So yeah, so this is how I apply it, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply it to the rest of my nails. And when we are done, you are going to see my beautifully moisturized fingertips. Alright, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friends, this is how I apply my press-on nails. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow, and I hope it taught y'all a little something, and I hope it helps your nails last long. This method helps my nails last for like about 2 weeks, and then they start popping off one by one, or sometimes I actually have to dip them in acetone to remove them. So this method really helps my nails stay on for a while. However, I've had oh my gosh, I can't even talk. I've had someone tell me that the glue that works for me doesn't work for them, and I encourage people to try this method and use the glue that I use and see if it works for them, or maybe experiment with a different glue, because what I'm assuming happens is that other people's nail beds might be greasier than mine, so therefore they need to experiment with different nail glues. I used to use super glue, so I am really surprised that this nail glue is actually working out for me. However, I do think the method that I apply my nails is what helps out a lot. So please let me know if you guys use this method, and let me know if it works for you guys. And like I said, please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. If you guys are new, please don't forget to join this gorgeous and beautiful bougie vanity family that we are building, and we are all learning how to make bougie press-on nails. I have something exciting to share with you guys. I bought a polygel kit. I've been watching a lot of Emily Susanna, y'all, so I bought a polygel kit, so hopefully I'll start making some polygel nails and maybe making some polygel press-on nails. What do you guys think about that? So alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you guys that are watching tonight. Stay safe, please wash your hands, and mwah, see you guys in the next one. I love you guys forever. Bye.